Cyclone Nisarga has barreled into the Maharashtra coast with wind speeds of over 100 kilometers per hour, gusting up to 120 kilometers per hour. In Maharashtra, more than 19,000 people have been moved to safety. Chief Minister Uddhav Thackeray appealed to people to stay indoors. In view of the cyclone, no vehicular movement is permitted on the Bandra-Worli Sea Link. Mumbai, Thane, Palghar, Raigad, Dhule, Nandurbar and Nashik districts of Maharashtra, as well as some places in Gujarat, are likely to be worst affected. West Bengal Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee on Wednesday appealed to the centre to give a one-time assistance of Rs 10,000 each to migrant workers amid the COVID-19 crisis. In a tweet, she said financial aid should also be provided to those engaged in the unorganized sector to help them cope with the ongoing economic crisis arising out of the lockdown. Banerjee suggested that a portion of the PM CARES fund should be used for the purpose. The Delhi government has constituted a 5-member committee of doctors to make a report on the situation of hospitals in the national capital, availability of medical facilities, and also on providing medical aid to patients from outside Delhi. Delhi has sealed its border for a week to analyze whether it can let people from other states come to the capital for treatment. The Chief Minister has sought feedback from the public. As the total COVID-19 case count nears the 2 lakh mark in India, the Indian Council of Medical Research scientist Dr. Nivedita Gupta said that the country is still very far away from the peak. A peak signifies the point at which the daily case count will start to fall. Over the last few days, over 8,000 new cases have been reported from across the country daily. ICMR has found that only a small portion of COVID cases have high viral load, meaning they can transmit the infection to 6.25 other people on an average. The ICMR recommends tracking the viral load during COVID tests to determine which patients are super spreaders and need institutional quarantine. This is important in places that are burdened with a high number of coronavirus cases. India and China will start a fresh round of military talks on June 6th, bringing senior commanders to the table to resolve the territory dispute in Ladakh along the line of actual control. The next meeting, reports quoting sources say, will be between Lieutenant General level officers from both the sides. An FIR has now been lodged against unidentified people under relevant sections of the Wildlife Protection Act over the incident wherein a pregnant elephant died in Mallapuram after being fed a pineapple stuffed with crackers. Officials are searching for the culprit, who is believed to be a local. He will be punished, officers say, for hunting the elephant.